Okay, Gaurangi. So tell us your topic.
Yes, ma'am. My today's topic is second law of motion, Newton's second law of motion. So, the second law of motion states that the rate of change of momentum of an object is proportional to the applied unbalanced force direction in the force. So the examples of secondary law of motion are like a fielder pulling his hand ball, gradually with the moving ball while holding the catch. In doing so, the fielder increases the time during which the high velocity of the ball decreases to zero. Therefore, thus the acceleration of the ball will be decreased. Therefore, the impact of the fast moving ball also be reduced. If the if the ball stopped suddenly, then the high velocity of the ball decreases to zero in a short interval of time. That that increases the rate of change of momentum.
Okay.
So the fielder would have to be apply large force that may hurt the palm of the fielder. And I take as another example of a athlete. So in a high jump event, the athletes are made to fall either on the cushion bed or on the sandbag. This is to increase the the time of the athlete fall to stop after making the jump. So that decreases the time.
Very good. Very nice. So
Average speed. The formula of average speed is total distance upon total time. The unit of average speed is meter per second. Acceleration. Acceleration equal to change in velocity upon time taken. The unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Velocity. Velocity equal to displacement upon time. Velocity also has the same unit, meter per second. And there are three equations of motion, u plus at. This is the first equation. X is equal to ut plus half at square. This is the second equation. And the third equation is v square equal to u square plus as. So these are the three equations of motion. Momentum. The formula of momentum is mass into velocity. If we have to find force, then the formula of force is mass into acceleration. The unit of momentum is kilogram meter per second.
okay, chalo. Very nicely done.
Ma'am, my first topic is the meaning of average speed and average velocity. The meaning of average speed is the total distance covered by an object in the total time taken. And the formula of it is the total distance upon total time. Now, second, what is the meaning of average velocity? Average velocity means the ratio of displacement and the total time taken by that object. And then my second topic is difference between average velocity and average speed. Average speed is the ratio of total distance by and the total time taken by an object, and the average velocity is the displacement by total time taken. Average velocity is a vector quantity, means it has both magnitude with direction, but average speed is scalar quantity in which, that is, it will have only magnitude. Now third, difference between displacement and distance. Distance is the actual path covered by an object, and displacement is the shortest path between the initial point and the farthest point that the object covered.
Now tell me one thing. Suppose if, and this is for all of you, okay? Suppose if there is an object or a car which is going in a straight line and he goes from A to B and then he turns back and comes back to the same point A. So, what will be the average velocity?
Ma'am, 0. Ma'am, because displacement is the shortest path. So ma'am, displacement is 0 because the object traveled
Yeah.
A to B, then come
So,
back
yeah.
on A.
Beautifully done.
Ma'am, u is equal to initial velocity. Ma'am, v is final velocity. Ma'am, t is time taken. Ma'am, and a is acceleration.
Small a, beta, small a.
Oh yes sir. Ma'am, so here A and O and D and C is initial velocity.
Very good.
E, O and B, C is velocity, final velocity.
Very nice.
O, A and A, D is time taken. BC is equal to BD plus DC. Final velocity is equal to BD plus U initial. BD is equal to V minus U. That is equation number 1. We know that A is equal to change in velocity by time taken t. And so A is equal to BD by t. BD is equal to AT. So AT is equal to V minus U, or V is equal to U plus AT. So hence the equation is proved.
Very good, Ajitesh. Nicely done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well done. Very good.